Asian Paints Trucare Blower. In this video, a quick overview on this blower and the one disadvantage you should know before you buy it. I fail to comprehend why companies try to cut costs this way. In the box, the instruction manual, the blower itself and an outlet nozzle. The blower is very basic. It has a blower motor at one end and an inlet pipe at the other, which is covered with this cheap looking aluminum mesh. The outlet of the blower comes with a plastic nozzle, which is soft but not flexible. To attach it, just match these notches on the nozzle with the grooves on the blower outlet. The outlet pipe can also be attached to the inlet of the blower through the same notches, but it beats me why one would want to use this, risking damage to the motor. The blower comes with just two buttons. At first I thought this plastic piece up top was a switch, but it turns out that this is just a piece to allow for proper gripping of the blower. To switch on the blower, press this trigger switch. Release the switch to switch off the blower. On the other side of the blower, however, there is a small black button. Press the button while holding down the trigger. The blower now remains on. Press the trigger switch again to switch off. I had initially bought this blower to blow dust off my PC case, which by the way I haven't yet done. I did find it useful though in cleaning this very difficult to reach rails of my aluminium sliding windows, and also cleaning this mini foosball table. Notice the power of the blower. It is powerful enough to do the job. The blower itself is good enough in build, but the one thing I cannot understand is the length of the power cable. Why is it so short? The main job of the blower is to reach difficult to reach areas, and with a cable so short, one would be just tagging a cumbersome extension cable along. This is the height of cost cutting.